go, Boomer. Wait, you haven't gotten your lights on? Ah, don't worry. We'll be
I got to turn my
fine.
lights off.
Hopefully.
Tell me when I can play.
I got my lights off.
Lisa, it's not that bad.
Okay, A to pick up.
Where is
Flashlight
Boner?
off.
Oh, I see him. No, that's
Wow.
That's Vert.
Alright,
There's
this is
Boner. Why are you him?
That's Bono.
So,
Because I'm like, you know what, I didn't want to
That's
be...
okay.
Screw you guys. He's gonna be looking for someone with a light. See ya.
Hey, hold on. Hold on.
Shit, what's
I love the sky. Look how beautiful the sky is.
Wait, why am I leaving? Fuck you guys.
Actually,
Is it a boomer?
I don't know.
Oh, there you are.
Rainy.
I'm following this
It's
guy
all
in the yellow
Vert.
tux.
Hey, how do we run again?
Hey,
trigger.
dancing.
Trigger. Right trigger.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Alright, let's turn my light off.
Yeah.
Go be looking for guys with lights. Dangerous, we gotta keep yours on so I can follow your light so I can see.
That's not me. That's Boomer you're following.
No, I'm
Hey,
following
we're
the
at
guy in
the
the yellow
sawmill.
suit. Who's in the yellow suit?
That's Boomer.
Oh,
Stop.
Hey, check the saw
So-
area right here.
that's...
You know, that would be hell to die. That'd be a hell of a way to die. It's here.
Well,
I
I
hear
would
it.
want to go head first. If I go crouch first,
Found it.
Where is it at?
On what?
Oh, fuck.
Wait.
He's here.
Saw now?
Where is he at?
Oh, no. I just saw the flash.
Where's
That's
my
on
TV
my
remote?
way.
Let's go. That way.
Where's my TV remote? Can't find it and walk at the same time.
Oh
Ooh.
shit, there's that
Fuck.
thing.
Don't
God.
look at
Green
it.
thing.
Don't look at it.
Go to...
Don't look at the statue.
Why?
What's that you?
Because that loses your insanity.
And that you want to keep your sanity.
Yeah, otherwise you
I
just
wanna
die.
Yeah.
stare at it. See?
Bert, go.
Jeez, I'm not sprinting. I want to walk because I can see. No, this is very dangerous. One in a...
He's on our left!
Oh, fuck.
Wait, is he seriously on the left?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I was just joking about that.
Look around. See any landmarks?
I'm just focused on the sky. The sky's so beautiful.
Yeah, if you look up the sky, you will get lost, asshole.
I know.
Oh, the sky is really beautiful.
Yeah, it will is.
This is okay. This is where I'm gonna take my wife on our honeymoon. We're fucked.
If you ever
Guys,
get a
look
wife.
around. Guys, look around.
Isabel, you'll be my wife. Ah, he's right there! What is that ugly thing? That's my aunt!
I thought you don't get scared, Jasper.
Here. Hey, guys,
Well, yeah, but the
we
face of
might
my
have to
aunt
go-
scares the shit out of me. She's ugly as fuck.
Please,
Can we not be in one clump?
Well, I thought you wanted to stick
Hey,
close
sorry.
to us.
Not this
Yeah,
close.
we got a statue over there.
Okay, then we split. Everyone split up because Isabel doesn't want us
No,
to be
I'm
clumped up
joking,
together.
I'm joking,
Let's
I'm
go.
joking, I'm joking.
Okay. Wait.
He don't matter.
Here. Oh, there it is.
On the abs.
Look
Okay,
at
on
it,
the
look at it
abs.
stick out his tongue.
You like that, don't you?
Dude, it looks fucking funny.
I got stuck by this monster. Oh, by the way,
That'd be
Vert.
awesome.
Vert. The flashlights actually run out of battery.
Oh.
You want to preserve it.
Unless, oh,
I'm gonna keep spamming the X button and face biting and it does that.
Isabel, you might want to
I
turn on your
can't see
light.
shit then.
Follow Boomer's light.
No, see,
He's on the
then we
right.
all stay blatty.
he can't be on the right.
I don't know, I'm
Oh,
just
he's
kidding.
behind us.
Behind us?
Yeah.
Alright, here's where we split up.
So if I look behind me, alright, we'll split up, all of us.
The three of us
One
go
of us.
this way, Isabel go the other way.
No!
Men stick together. Hey, the Votion doesn't die in the movie.
Hey, bros before hoes.
I am a virgin.
Right.
See, the Votion doesn't die in movies, so.
Oh my god, he's right there! Ah, right, that ugly ass motherfucker! She screamed her eyes out. Are you crying? Get Phoenix.
Hey, windmill. Guys, look around.
I ain't looking around. I'm keeping my head off.
Don't fall behind me,
God.
sir. Okay, look around. There might be one here at the windmill.
I'm not supposed to scream at this.
There it is.
Alright, we got 3 out of 8. Hey, what does the Y button do? Hey, none? Turn off your light.
Hey,
Took
you
it, let's
pick
check
up
it
the tape recording.
Oh, I can walk with the D-pad.
Okay, there might be one in here, so,
That's gonna be
Wave
tough.
off? Those spooky sound. Half time,
There's
to the right, to the
graveyard.
right, to the right, he's to the right.
Oh, I thought you meant the tape. Check the giant
There it is.
thing.
I
Oh, there
see
it
it.
is.
Down it.
We got 4 more to go. Oh, there's a statue.
Guys, he's gonna start showing up a lot more now.
It's about
So
make sure
be
you close your
careful.
eyes while following us. And then don't get lost when you're closing your eyes.
Okay, we're crossing the river, okay?
He'll be to the left, left, watch.
He's
My
gonna be in
left is
front
on
of
the
us.
Right.
He'll be behind us, to the front of us, just watch.
He's gonna be in front of us.
These are just close your eyes. Close your
Oh
eyes.
fuck, he's on the right, he's on the right.
Oh, yes, he is on the right. Well, why are you leaving us to the right then?
No, I'm leaning straight.
Technically, you're turning right.
Oh fuck, he's actually getting closer.
Let's go. Isabel's first victim.
Alright, Isabella was splitting down.
Oh my god, he's following us.
Damn,
I'm not looking at them.
Run! He's like right there behind that
Oh
tree.
shit, we gotta go here.
Alright, I think we go die. Oh, that's my first time playing it.
Doing
I
really
like
good
these
for yourself.
statues.
Look
Oh, I
around.
played Slender Man before.
Listen.
and it's
Listen, if you
It's
hear
like-
static,
No, it's behind us. Kind of to the left. To the left behind us.
you hear static at all.
Behind us, he's
No, I don't.
gone.
I think that's the river.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the level up front.
What if Boomer dies right in front of us? We're fucked.
Turn around.
here.
Up to the left, so exactly to the left. Like how
Here.
all we mean to do is just not look at him. Why does he not just come here?
Save your flashlights, guys, remember.
Someone else might have to go
Hold
front.
on.
Just my
Don't
flash.
talk. I don't hear it. Whoa. What was that?
He's right.
Oh, he's still left.
Shit.
God damn it. My controller just vibrated, so I'm
I'll wait until my brightness up.
Guys, my flashlight's getting dimmer.
Oh god, it's behind us! Hold behind.
Who died?
No, I don't know. I think
Did you die?
No, she's still alive. Alright, we're all still alive.
It's right behind you, Isabel.
Yeah, don't look behind you, Nisa. Billy, do not look behind you. Oh, okay, he's to the right now. Not behind you.
Shit, river.
I hate looking
Guys,
around.
there's rocks right there.
But he's over you. He's like to the right.
We can wing it. Someone else might have to lead.
My flashlight's okay for now. That's because I had to bust you a
I
flashlight.
can't tell where your flash.
Guys.
Alright, we're near a building. Let's go in there.
Yeah, the cabin.
How can you tell where your flashlight's on the thing?
Okay.
I
There's no
don't hear
way
any
to tell where
static.
your.
Okay,
There's like
there's
a way
another.
to tell where your flashlight's on.
It starts flickering.
Mine's split one, so.
more to go. We're doing really good for.
Does your battery recharge?
No. Once it's out, it's out.
We're doing really good. We're all still alive at 5. We got 3 more to go. We'll make it. We'll make
So
it.
you can talk, you know. Don't want to stop jog. Oh, yeah, jog.
I'm not jogging, man. I don't.
Oh,
I'm
my
running
screen just
fast.
flashed for a second there. I don't know what just happened.
He's
He'd be awesome.
behind us.
Yes, he is behind us. On a tree.
He's standing. Oh, he's following.
One day.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, fuck. Well, it's flickering too.
Here's why he
You
was
guys
stuck
see
me
it?
by his own.
Yeah,
To
we
the
were
left.
there already.
Exactly to the left.
We should just go
Yeah,
find
we're
the.
not gonna-
Oh shit.
play.
Elizabeth, I can guarantee she's typing it up.
He's by the statue.
I hear something weird. Talk, god damn it. Have you been here yet?
Utah.
Oh, fuck.
No, it doesn't.
We have. Oh, he's behind us.
He's stopping and turning left.
Shit, I don't know
Wait,
where
wait,
we're
man.
at.
Turn left.
Going forward then.
Left has the green thing there, though.
I know, just there's a bridge right here.
I think. Yo, he's behind us.
There he is.
Oh, there he is.
Go walk. I kind of want to walk up and say hi to him.
Go this way. I don't like that.
What?
I'm hearing growling.
Yeah, he was right there, next to the
We haven't been here, though. Have we?
That's a good start. No.
No.
No,
I'm
we
not
have
paying
not been to
attention,
the
I'm
coffin.
It's exactly
You know the
behind
drill.
us. Not behind us.
Oh!
Oh shit, he's right there!
Look. Don't look.
Oh wait, what about behind? Oh shit, no, he's right there.
Why are you gonna think he's really that scary?
No,
I see
Isabel.
it.
I go walk right up to him right now and go say hi to him.
You died.
Oh.
You died. You probably died.
That's why I'm not gonna do it because I know I would die.
Okay, we're at the edge, so we gotta go.
I
this
just
way.
sucks me so.
We got 2 more. This is really good.
My light's
Go, dude.
flickering. That's not good.
It reminds me. Shit, we might want to turn around. You
I
guys
have a
see
feeling
him?
it's gonna be behind us. but-
No, bike. There's some-
Oh my god, run! Run!
Why?
Oh, he was like really, like, right there behind us. Shit, I can't run anymore.
Oh god, he still is. One, he still is right behind us.
Run, bitch, run.
Hey, that's what the black guy said.
Fine, you say it.
But another.
Virgil, you're not black.
No,
Turn right.
I just said I'm not black.
So
He's
right.
following us.
Oh wait, we
Yeah,
can't
he's
cross
like
that, can
behind us. He's behind us, but he's not like right behind us.
Oh, he's close though. We
He's
can
stubborn.
cross now. We'll cross.
He's dead.
Scream.
Oh my god!
We got her.
Isabel's
Okay.
dead.
Period of Ocean lasts forever, so I guess not. Well,
In
I
this
suppose I'm
game,
not
there's
dead.
no
Oh,
that
crap,
kind
he's
of
on the left,
logic
he's
does
on the
not
left.
No,
exist.
see, this is it. I'm surprised I'm a stoner.
Oh my god, he got me! Damn it! Why me? Hey, Isabel. Hey, I see you guys. Guys, stop. We're right here. Behind you, guys. Guys, right here. Bert, behind you.
I am not stopping.
No, I'm right behind you. You can turn on your flashlights and follow us.
Oh god, you guys.
We see everything.
Okay, yeah, there you guys are.
We see everything, so...
This one.
Isabel, your mic. Fix it.
It's behind us, by the way, Bomo.
Oh, I got that.
Surprisingly, surprisingly it lasted this long.
Oh, we heard that. I just want you to fix it right. Boomer, you can turn off your lights. I'll tell you where to go. Just keep going straight. You're heading towards a rock, so...
Oh.
You follow the ghost. Follow Jasper. Follow the ghost.
We can see everything, so...
Except the ghost. Or, well, not the ghost, but the...
All the blue guys.
The monster.
Keep behind us.
Oh, wait, I see something.
Because I know.
Oh, wait, no, there's a sign right here. A windmill? Wait, we've been at the windmill already, right?
Oh god. Virgil, we can't go there. We cannot go there. Just go
He's
straight.
right there, isn't he?
Uh-huh.
As ghosts, can we see tapes as well?
No, wait,
Yeah.
what?
Can we see tapes? Up.
Boomer, you're the last one!
Oh no.
Oh my
When's
god,
Bra-
we need
I
to
need
see
Breaking
everything.
Benjamin playing right now, man.
That piece of shit spawned right in front of me. Man.
He's
He
fucking
grabbed me, and I
following.
was right between you and Boomer. So,
I know. I was just walking and he popped right in front of me like, hey, we'll grab you. You have no chance. Good luck, Wilma. We're trying to find you guys, I guess.
that sucks.
Fuck
Going
me.
in-
Wait, Boomer, turn to your right. No, follow us, right here. There's a little hang area. Oh, there's a tape, right here.
One more.
Fuck all you guys.
Oh, so we
It's
just
probably
see tapes.
nearby.
That's just the statues with the tongues hanging out.
I'm liking this, man. Watch, I'm gonna find another landmark. Oh, fuck me.
You saw him, didn't you?
No, shit. Oh, no.
Boomer, you're panicking too much. Right in front of us, he died.
Fuck.
Wow. We found
One more
7
to
out of
go.
8. We were doing so well, too.
We all
Shit spawned right
died
in front of us,
after.
Yeah, but we
all-
did so well.
We all
hate-
died after.
Jasper died right after me.
I blame you, Isabel. I bet you cursed me.
Yeah, I can't deal with Isabel. She died first, and once she died, she became crazy.
Damn, I'm more efficient.
Alright, let's play a different map.
Hold on, I wanna
Wait, check
see
the
you
map.
die.
Check the map. The map tells you where we missed it.
You guys are.
You died, Nisa. Fucking, he became insane.
I do not want to play again.
Wait,
Well,
isn't the exclamation point the screen?
Yeah.
How do you check the map?
It's right there. It's on the replay at the very end of the credits.
Skipped it, that's why. Oh, no, I don't know. So let's play one plus Nisa so she can...
No!
Yes.
You know what game I really miss the most?
What?
1 versus 100. Oh, there's when Misa died. Thanks. Yep,
Yeah,
that's where
that's
Misa
where I
died.
died as well. Now, where did you miss it?
Right there, and then... No, that was Virgil. Yeah, I did.
I'm good. I'm done.
Beta.
She
No.
left already. Still left.
Ah,
Ah, found my remote finally.
One is good enough.
you scream so much.
Yeah, I did.
No,
How
I'm
about
going to
this?
get
How about
mine.
you just die first and then you won't have to suffer? Well, die first.
I'm going to
suffer.
Gears of War 3, so I'm
Alright.
going to have to update. If anyone wants to join me,